Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the Anaconda prompt, not the GUI. This avoids path and permission confusion. First, update Conda and all packages so dependencies align. Outdated packages break launches. Once done, force reinstall the Navigator and Notebook packages to replace corrupted files. This step fixes mismatched binaries and ensures the Jupyter entry points exist. Make sure you run the commands as an administrator. Otherwise, files may not overwrite, and the problem will persist. Once the reinstall runs, you clear caches to remove residual corruption. Conda clean all wipes packages, tarballs, and index caches. Next, reset the Navigator to default settings so a corrupt config doesn't block launches. If problems continue, remove and reinstall the Navigator package in base. This replaces binaries and restores menu entries. These steps address deeper configuration or package-level faults that simple updates don't fix, and they prepare your environment for a direct notebook launch. You finish by bypassing the GUI. Activate the base environment and run Jupyter Notebook from the Anaconda prompt. This proves Jupyter itself works. If the browser fails to open, copy the provided token URL into your browser. This isolates the problem to the Navigator. Finally, check Navigator logs or run it with debug to read error messages. They point to proxy, firewall, or extension conflicts. If things still fail, make sure antivirus or corporate proxies aren't blocking local ports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.